Dandelions with the wildling tribe. Dandelions have been used in history throughout the ages. Ancient Egyptians, Greeks and Romans used them. They've been used in Chinese traditional medicine for over 1,000 years. Dandelions are better for you than most of the vegetables in your garden. They have more vitamin A than spinach, more vitamin C than tomatoes, lots of iron and calcium. Dandelions are in the group of flowers belonging to the genus called Taraxacum, which are native to Europe, Asia and North America. Maybe you have blown a dandelion clock before. Did you know a dandelion clock contains thousands of dandelion seeds? The dandelion seeds are attached to fine feathery bits called pappus. These pappus act like parachutes, allowing the seeds to be blown by the wind to new places. The pappus open when it's dry and windy and close when it's damp and there's no wind. Clever dandy. When the seeds break free from the flower, the wind carries them like tiny umbrellas to new places so they can grow into new plants. Dandelion seeds are able to travel as far as 100 kilometers. Dandelion comes from French. Dandelion means tooth of the lion. This is because their leaves have serrated or jagged edges and look like teeth. They were also named after lions because their leaves healed all of these: baldness, dandruff, toothache, sores, fever, rotting gums, weakness, and a lot of other illnesses too. Dandelion roots are brilliant. They act as a diuretic, which means they take excess water out of your body. They help your immune system to fight infections too. They can also help with arthritis, liver disease, diabetes, and obesity. You need to make sure there are plenty of dandelions growing before you take any of the roots. Taking the roots means the plant will not survive, so make sure you only take as much as you need. Dandelions have long taproots that go deep into the soil. People usually clean the roots, then dry them so they can store them easily. What an amazing plant ally the dandelion is. Dandelions are like a green and growing first aid kit. Their bright flowers make even the dullest day seem full of sunshine. Dandelions are not just good for humans. Bees and other insects need dandelions as well. They're one of the first flowers to come out in spring, and so they give insects their first food after the long cold winter. You can make dandelion flowers into dandelion honey. You can use the leaves and flowers in delicious salads or make yummy dandelion fritters. You can use the dried flowers or roots to make a healthy tea that tastes of sunshine. Dandelions can be used to make balms and creams and other types of medicine too. Dandelions are one of the best gifts from nature.